Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So today in this video we will go for a different topic, that is linear equation in two variable. Already we have covered linear equation in one variable, so let us don't waste time and we will start what is linear equation in two variable. Okay, so I will tell you one simple equation first, and 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. This one linear equation in one variable. Why? Because there is only one variable, we have already read that. Now I will write a different kind of equation. It is 5x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is a different kind of equation, and in this equation you can see x is a variable, y is also a variable, so there are two variables in this equation. So this is called linear equation. Why linear equation? Again, the variable power of the variable is 1, x power is 1, y power is also 1, so highest power of the variable is 1 and there are two variables, so linear equation in two variables. So this is an example, but how to write that? What is the general form of the linear equation in two variable? Let us see. Any equation of the form, this one, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variable. What is x and what is y? They are the variables and their power is, highest power is 1. And what is a, b and c? They are not here as variables, they are real numbers. Instead of a, instead of b and instead of c, we can put any numbers here. So here a, b and c are real numbers, any real numbers. I will give examples, and where a is not equal to 0, I mean in some cases a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. We will not take a and b is equal to 0. Why? I will tell you later. So this is in our discussion later. So now I will write in this structure, I will write some of the examples. Let 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. You can see in place of a 5 is there, in place of b 3 is there, in place of c 2 is there. Now I will write another example. Minus 3x plus 1 by 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Same, this is a minus 3 and this is b 1 by 2 and this is c, that is minus 1. Now another example, root 2x minus root 3y plus 1 by root 3 is equal to 0. Here simple numbers I have not taken, I have taken irrational numbers. No problem, a, b and c can be any real numbers. So now the variable is x and y, two variables, and a, b and c are the real numbers. So this is linear equation in two variable. Few examples I have given, right? So now what I will do here, I will take a few of the examples where you have to write those examples as, because in some examples you may not find the structure as same as this ax plus by plus c form. So what you need to do, you have to express that in ax plus by plus c form so that you can know that it is a linear equation in two variables. So let's see. Okay, so we learnt till now what is a linear equation in two variable and what is the general form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now write, my question is write the following equations in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form, right? Now This is example 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37, a decimal number I have taken. Now here, this is not looking like b in this form. Let us make that. Implies that 2x means 2x plus 3y, it's okay, ax plus by, 2x plus 3y, and this 4.37 is on the RHS. Let us take this to the LHS because C is not here, right? So this can be C. So 4.37 is added there, positive sign is there. If it comes to this side, it will be like this. Done. Plus minus of 4.37 is equal to 0. Now A is 2, B is 3 and C is minus 4.37 because that C was that side. We have brought that to LHS. So the symbol will be changed, right? So next example. So we have written this in ax plus by plus c form. Another example. X minus 4 is equal to root 3y. Again, implies that. So x minus 4 is equal to root 3y, that is x is there, but when x is there, can I write like this, 1 into x, and this is y term is here in the RHS. So let us bring it to the LHS, and this y term is positive sign. So if we bring it to the LHS, it will be a negative sign, right? So plus root 3 into y. Can I write that? But this plus was there, so we have changed the side, so it will be bearing minus symbol. Then minus 4 is there, so can I write plus of minus 4 is equal to 0, because from that side root 3y has been brought to this side already. So now why this is minus root 3y, do you know that? You can understand, because root 3y is plus there, so it has become minus this side. So now this is in ax plus, I am reading it, ax 1x plus by means minus root 3y plus c means minus 4 is equal to 0, right? Another example we will take. Example number 3. 2x is equal to y. 2x is equal to y. Here only x and y term are there. Let us make them together. But c term is not there. What we will write in place of c? Let us see. So 2x is 2x. No issues. Y will be coming this side. It will be minus y. Agreed. Is equal to 0. Whatever is given, I have written that. Just I have brought y to the LHS. And plus y has become minus y. Implies that. Now 2x means 2 into x. Ax is done. Now minus y means, can I write plus of minus 1 into y? Can I write that? Plus of minus 1 into y. Minus 1 into y means minus y. So it is there. So ax plus b means minus 1 y. Ax plus by. C is not there. If c is not there, means nothing. There is no value of c is available. No value means, let us put 0. We can put plus 0 is equal to 0. That means a is 2, b is minus 1 and c is 0. But now this has been expressed in terms of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Another example I will take. Example 4. X is equal to minus 5. See, gradually how I have taken, you see. Here a was there, b was there, c was there. Only I have changed the side and written. Here same thing, a was there, b was there in the right side and c was there in the left side. I have changed the side and written. Here what I did, only a and b part was there, c was not there, written like this. Now only a is there, I mean x, one variable is there. How to express that in linear equation in two variables? Let us see. Implies that again, I will bring that x minus 5 will be plus 5 is equal to 0. Implies that, can I write, where x is there, can I write 1 into x? Okay, plus y term is not there. If y term is not there, let us write 0 into y. Any problem? 0 into y means 0. No y is there. Plus 5 is there, is equal to 0. Now, can I say ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Isn't it? But this term is 0. So this has been expressed in terms of linear equation in two variables. Like this, you can express the given equation in linear equation in two variable general form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now let us go for the solution part. What is the solution of the linear equation in two variable? The variable is x and y. Suppose in different questions may m and n may be the variables also, no issues. So situation is same. So what is the solution actually? Whenever we find the value of the variables, that value of x and y are called the solution of the equation. So now let me find, I will write here one equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Find two solutions of the equation. So two solutions, how to find two solutions and why two solutions? 4 solutions, 5 solutions maybe. You might have heard about in linear equation in one variable one solution is being found out, but here why 2 solutions, 3 solutions? Let us see why. Now what I will do here, 2x plus 5y is equal to 0, that is, let suppose somebody has put x is equal to 0, then what is the value? X, if x is equal to 0, then 2 into, in place of x 0 plus 5y is equal to 0. This value 2 into 0 becomes 0 plus 5y is equal to 0 implies that only 5y is equal to 0. This implies that y is equal to 0 by 5 because 5 is multiplied here, that is 0. If x is equal to 0, then y is also 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. This is one of the solutions, right? You got the value of the variable, or you can write x comma y is equal to 0 comma 0. The way of writing 0 comma 0, this is the first coordinate or x coordinate or value of x, and after comma I have written that is y coordinate. This is abscissa and this is the ordinate, and this exact part abscissa and ordinate I will discuss in coordinate geometry clearly and in detail. So this is only solutions I am finding. This is one solution I found out by putting x is equal to 0. By putting x is equal to 1, you can take any other value of x, no issues. By putting x is equal to 1, what solution I am getting? Let us see. So 2 into 1 plus 5y is equal to 0 implies that 2 into 1 means 2 plus 5y is equal to 0, and you know how to solve. The variable will be kept in the left hand side, the constant will be taken to the right hand side. So plus 2 will be minus 2 implies that y value how we will find? 5 is multiplied with y, so minus 2 divided by 5. So answer is minus 2 by 5. So if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to minus 2 by 5. This is the solution of the equation. You can again write this as coordinate pair x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 2 by 5. This is abscissa and this second one is ordinate. This is x coordinate and that is the y coordinate. So this is how two solutions I have found. If this question might have been asked as 4 solutions, you put different values of x and go on finding the value of y. And one thing, you can put the value of y also and find the value of x. The meaning will be same and you will going to get different solutions. So now again another equation I will solve for you now for confirmation, so that you can find solutions of the linear equation in two variables. So I will take x plus 2y is equal to 6. Find 4 solutions. Find 4 solutions. The process is same. So let x is equal to 0. You can start from anywhere else. Implies that 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. So 0 is 0. So 2y is equal to 6. If 2y is equal to 6, so y is equal to 6 by 2. Answer is 3. So solution is x comma y is equal to 0 comma 3. This is the first solution. Second one, let x is equal to minus 1. I have not taken 1. Now I am taking minus 1. Again implies that in place of x put minus 1, plus 2y is equal to 6. So minus 1 will be taken to that side. If minus 1 has been changed its side, then it will be plus 1. So 2y 6 plus 1 implies that 2y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 by 2 because 2 is multiplied here. So if x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 7 by 2. So x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Again, now I will find if x is equal to plus 1, then again you put the value of 1 and you go on find the solutions, and you take x is equal to minus 2 or plus 2. Again, like that, how many solutions you can find, you put the value of x and you are going to get values of y. If you put the value of y also, you are going to get the value of x. So you will get the answers in pairs, and these pairs are known as coordinate pairs. And this is abscissa and this is ordinate. Again, I am telling this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate, and we can draw the graph of these linear equations, and the graph part I will discuss in detail in another separate video. So whenever that video will come, definitely you will get a notification. So kindly do subscribe and update, so that you will get an update of the new videos simultaneously. Okay, so now another last example we will do for this video. Find k where x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 for the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. This is a different kind of question, isn't it? So x value and y value we were finding when we are finding the solutions. Here x value and y value is not given. There the solution was different, but here it is given. Now put the values of x and y. So now solution. This is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. What is given? 2 into x is how much? 2 plus 3 into y is how much? It is 1 is equal to k. Now you see 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, k. So 4 plus 3 is 7 is equal to k, or k is equal to 7. You got the answer. So this kind of questions also you may get, where x value, y value, x is unknown, y is unknown and k is unknown. So 3 unknown quantities there. So if you are asked to find the value of k, x value and y value would have been given. If you would have been asked to find x, this y value and k value might have been given, and instead of k, any other variable might have been written also. So out of 3, if 2 values have been given, third one you can find by putting this equation. So in this video we learned what are linear equation in 2 variables, the general form, and how to identify or how to write the linear equation in 2 variables, and how to find the solutions, and in this kind of questions how to solve. So in a separate video I will tell you the graph of linear equation in 1 variable and linear equation in 2 variable in detail, and the graph, the introduction of the graph we will learn in the coordinate geometry. So thank you, stay tuned.